Welcome back to the channel. Today I asked ChatGPT to give me a good JavaScript interview question, and after some struggle and magic, he came up with this. I mean, this looks terrible. Oh my god. What do you think is going to be on the output? I don't know. Let's figure it out. Where's the pen? Pen? Okay, now. So this whole thing is within a function which we are calling here, called outer. That's not too tricky. And then I see two blocks. This is one, and this is the other one. Let's go around and then just deal with the first block here. Right there's a for loop which invokes this immediately invoked function expression, so we can just basically ignore it and see what's inside. So we're gonna focus on this one. Oh my god, this is so terrible. Okay, so now let j equals I, which is basically I, and I goes from 1 to 3. So this loop is going to be executed 3 times from 1 to 3. Then we set a timeout. That's already okay. And we say inside IIFE j, and j is going to be what? J times 100. That's the timeout. So this is going to be executed in 100, 200 and 300 milliseconds. And what's going to be the value? We have j, let j, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is eventually after 100, 100 and 200 and 300 milliseconds, it's gonna print out inside IIFE, and it's going to be printed out inside IIFE 1 and 2 and 3. That's what's gonna happen. The timing is, I think it's important here, because I see another set timeout here. Now we have another function. So we dealt with this. We have a timing. We know it's in the timeout. Okay, it's in the timeout queue. So now let's see if we can find something that's immediately executed and it's on the output. Okay, now we go from k equals 0, which is, I don't know what's for, and there's a delayed output, which is another timeout after 200 milliseconds. Okay. Oh my god. And then we oh my god. And then we okay, so right now we have an immediately invoked function expression here. There's a parameter k, but then we use let here. So that means that this k is not the same as this k, so we can completely ignore it. Okay, that's the trickier part. It says it's the trickier part. So we go k equals 2 to k lower than equals 4. Set timeout console log tricky IIFE. So k times 50. K should be 2 here, so it's 100, right? And then it's 150, then it's 200, and it's 250, right? Oh, I mean, it's 100, 150, and 250. So this is going to be 150, and 200 milliseconds. It's in the timeout queue, the same as this one. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is, oh my god. So then we call the delayed output, which sets a timeout. Then once these timeouts are set, what in the world is happening here? K is outside of this scope, so it's here. See, it's outside of this whole thing. This whole thing. You follow me, right? So that means the K is going to be 6 here. This is going to be 6, and it's after 200 milliseconds. Oh my god, the timing on this, I don't know. I'm not sure about the timings. There might be some monkey business going on here. Okay, so now we only need to like get the timings right. Oh god. The first one should be inside IIFE. This is going to be first. Then we have 150. So this is going to be second. So tricky IIFE is going to be the second one, right? And then this should be the third one, right? But this should be the fourth one because this was registered sooner. This should be the fifth, right? Because it's 200. This should be the sixth one. No. Fifth is this one, because this was sooner registered with 200. Oh god. Oh god. And then this goes sixth. What's the last one? I think this is the last one. Let's take a mental picture what's gonna happen. So inside IIFE, then tricky IIFE. Okay, inside IIFE 1, tricky IIFE 2, tricky IIFE 3, then inside IIFE 2, outside loop 6, tricky IIFE 4, and then inside IFE 3. Okay, got that, got that, got that, got that. Let's see, I honestly didn't check the output. ChatGPT lets you know the output, but I just ignored it completely. I want to figure it out. Okay, so got that in mind. Let's see what's gonna happen. So there, I made a screenshot of my achievements, and now, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Run. Uh-oh. Oh! Hey, I think we got it correctly. Let me see. Inside IFE 1, tricky 2, yes. Tricky 3, yes. IFE 2, yes. That's the fourth one. Tricky, where? Oh no. Oh no! I made a mistake. No. So, where? This fourth one is okay. Fifth one. Why is this the fifth one? Oh no, this was... Okay, I made one mistake. Okay. See? It's easy. It's easy to make a mistake. So this delayed output, if you check it, it's later, registered later. So this can't be the... So these two change places. And now it's okay. All right. But the last one is correct. So I made one mistake where the delayed output was registered later on. So in this case, what you need to be careful of, and where I made a mistake, is the order how these are registered. And you can very easily get confused like I did, even though I have a lot of experience with this. But there, I must say, ChatGPT is not a bad tool to get like interview questions. Because if you can solve these, there's very high chance that you will be able to solve any set timeout related question that comes your way. So this is very good. Okay, it's fine. It uses let. I would probably make it a little bit more difficult, like change some variables to var, const, whatnot, so you can mix this up. It's not bad. It really isn't. If by any chance you find interview questions like that, please just share it with me. I'm more than happy to make a video of it. And by that, this is the end of the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. You need to subscribe, man. How are we gonna solve the questions? But until then, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.